America. Stolen from Africa. Brought into America.
In this episode, my sister Sarah and Inigo come to visit us, and we spend our first night at anchor.
We enjoyed a few drinks with our friend Tom from the marina and planned our night at anchor.
How's everyone doing? Woo!
High speed sailing at 2 knots.
It's too fast!
What you doing?
I'm putting some mayonnaise on sandwich because I like a lot of mayonnaise. We don't have enough wave, so it's okay to cook. It's perfect.
The rain stole our wind, which forced us to turn on the engine. And just before getting to the lighthouse of Point Abino. So we just dropped off the anchor in, I don't remember the name of the bay, but it's just by Point Abino or something like that. And the water is stellar. The anchor ended up setting really good first time, so that is awesome. So now we're enjoying life with buffalo behind me over there. And town right behind me, Point Abino.
Yeah, well, I'm not clean, but it comes off easy, but I don't feel like doing it right now.
What's happening? It's raining! Thank you. Playing some games inside.
As quickly as the rain came, it left us with sunshine and calm water.
What's for dinner?
I'm making some awesome chicken butter with some full-on corn on the cob. So it's gonna be really cool. So right now we are anchored. Life is beautiful. We had a bit of a torrential, well, we had some rain. Ended up hiding inside and playing a bit of card games while tasting some beers from Quebec from a bunch of different microbreweries. That was really, really good. And now we're just gonna have some delicious supper outside and hopefully get an awesome sunset. We'll see.
And for those of you that don't know what chicken butter is, it's butter chicken.
Oops!
How's it going, guys?
Really great.
Really, really great.
Having a beer with clamato mix.
Enjoy time.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Are you making a movie or
Yeah, it's already started.
Okay.
Oh.
Wow. Cheers to an awesome night in good company with family. This is the best. We've had 2 double rainbows.
I give it to you.
Thank you!
Oh, I think you've got bugs in it.
No, it's paper.
No.
It's pepper.
Ah! He said bugs. No. Cheers, guys. Hey. Enjoy the beautiful time.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's time to hit.
So we
What do
some
we have
corn,
here? We got some corn.
Some corn.
And butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Oh.
Chicken butter. Yeah, butter chicken.
Butter chicken.
Out of America. Stolen from Africa. Brought into America. Good morning, everybody. So as you can see behind me, the sun is rising finally. Seems like the waves have kind of died down a little bit because we're not getting thrown around everywhere like we were last night. Our anchor held, which is awesome. You can see, you probably can't see Buffalo behind me, but the sun is rising over Buffalo over there. It was a bit of a cruddy anchorage to, well, we're not really at an anchorage. Anyways, we put the anchor down and it's not super well protected here. So we had a bit of a rolly, bouncy night all night. I just put up the solar panels again so they can charge our batteries because our anchor light decharged our batteries quite a bit. But I'm pretty sure we'll be able to start regardless, but throw it up just to top up the batteries so then we can turn on our fridge again. But yeah, anchor held up good. We didn't really drag at all. The only downside to the spot was how rolly and bouncy it was the whole time. How'd you sleep?
Not that good. I'm actually sleeping now. It's been super wavy, rocky, so I've been pretty much awake most of the night.
You want to take a look at the nice sunrise? Come on, where's the big wave again? Hey! Hey guys!
This is awesome! Watch out, big wave! Ah!
We're at Nickel Beach, enjoying some nice sandwiches, some coconut water, and this beautiful day with some awesome people.
Going swimming in Lake Erie. Feels like the ocean, but it's not. But it's awesome! Woo!
Water is so good.
Nice!
Beautiful. Super refreshing.
Towards it?
1, 2, 3.
Are you sure?
How did you know the timing? Oh, okay, okay, well let's try that again.
À l'eau, il y a des gens de scie qui font puis un tapis roulant qui la porte par en arrière. The four of us headed out to Niagara Falls to do the tourist things. But first off, we needed some ice cold beers from a local brewery. While the falls are always impressive to see, sometimes it's nice to get away from the crowds and go down a little path to the whirlpool. Je me suis déjà fait attaquer par un canard, c'était pas cool.
Thing is that over there.
Our fun times together were nearing its end, so we enjoyed a good supper and a few more drinks.